Umulan. Nagbabad pa naman si Mami Jel. OMG.
Mom, your brain is so big.
Okay, next, Xander. How can you read that one? From. Very good. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Good morning. Ayan, anong sticker na?
4.
No. 20, 22, 21.
19.
No, 22, 21,
Not
20. Wait. Here. Let's cut this. So the day, what's the date today? It's May. What's next to May 2? May 3. Where's May 3? Where's 3? Where's the number 3? Here. Here. Wow. So how many days to go?
20.
20 days to go. Aga na nagising na ako. Good morning, Daddy. Ano yan, yung miss? I mean, yan, good morning, everyone. Wala pang araw. Naunang nagising si Daddy and Xander. Paggising ko, wala na akong katabi. It's 7 o'clock. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So, weather check tayo. Umulan. Nagbabad pa naman si Mami Jel. OMG. Ayan o. Gloomy weather.
Oh, pillow fight.
Gusto ko yung pillow flight. Pillow fight.
No, you choose your pillow. No selfie.
Hi. Nanonood lang kami ng... Nanonood kami ng mga videos ni
I see your
Xander.
boobies, Mommy. I see your boobies. Mommy, your boobies.
Oh, you were so little pa, oh.
Boobies.
Miss ko yung short ko na yan, no?
At saka sobrang dilim sa labas. Grabe. Malakas ulan nito. No!
Oh, you're 3 months old.
Oh, my real son. Morning! Morning! Ah! Oh, Daddy! Oh. Ano ginagawa mo kay Daddy? sa'yo, Daddy, oh. Clingy baby. Daddy.
Naku, you're holding Daddy Salvavida. It's a floater. That's my floater.
That's it.
Please. It's Tita May's birthday na. What's your gift for Tita May? Oh, we have a cake for you.
Look, 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 look.
Oh, they have a cake.
Fantastic. Soldiers?
It's Tita May's birthday.
See you later.
Oh, dali, sit.
And you both sing.
Okay.
And
Preview na.
hey,
Oh, you listen first daw. You listen
I
first.
am the one who do the notes.
Listen to Mama.
Ah, it's anniversary.
Oh yeah, it's me for happy anniversary.
Say happy anniversary.
Super
Oh,
cold.
dali, say happy
Xander,
anniversary.
happy anniversary. Say happy anniversary to Mama.
Super cold.
Bilis. Oh. Say happy anniversary.
Still raining pa din outside.
Say happy anniversary.
Mom, your brain is so big. Why? That's nothing.
Tell them that you miss them.
And then Mama wants to eat carrot. Dahil nag-happen to my
Eat carrots forever. Forever and forever. You're already eating carrots.
Dada, Mama, ah!
Tell them happy anniversary, Xander.
Happy anniversary.
They didn't hear you again. They didn't hear you, anak.
What?
Tell them happy anniversary.
Happy. You became to a monster.
Don't cover the speaker.
Happy birthday!
Or should I say, happy anniversary?
Tita May's birthday is also on May 7.
Happy birthday, Xander! Uy, Pogi!
You say happy birthday, Tita May naman.
First wait.
Xander.
Wait.
Till the end of time.
Sad. This is
Sleep na.
It's Sunday. It's sleeping time.
grenade. It's a grenade. Chairs.
Uy, tulog na. Ano oras na, Xander?
That's big chair.
Gano na, oh. Mag-alas 12 na.
That's just
How was your sleep? How are you today?
fine.
What do you miss most while at outside?
Playing outside.
But you're still playing outside there. Ah.
See?
What place do you want to visit after the quarantine days?
Angel.
You want to visit Angel's house?
Yep.
And what else? What place?
Rup.
Rap's house?
Yeah.
Oh, so you miss school already?
Yeah.
You
I
want
want Angel will join me to Rup's house. But Neil said Ruff. It's supposed to be Rup.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a rap.
Everything. A homie. I'm going to brush your hair. Now you look beautiful.
Why? Am I not beautiful?
Yes, you are beautiful.
I know, right?
Because I've been combing your hair.
Ang kumbing.
Combing.
Oh no.
Ang kumbing. Next.
Him.
Yeah, very good. Use that in a sentence.
He is fighting.
Him.
Him is fighting?
I love him.
I love him. Bye.
Next. B. Very good. B. Use that in a sentence. Next.
I already said the word.
How can you read that?
I already said the word.
I didn't.
Look.
Look. Very good. Look.
Word.
What? Read. Ooh. You said it already.
Word.
Word. Yeah, very good. Word. It's a word. Next. How can you read that one? At. Very good. How can you use that in a sentence?
There's
At the beach. At the beach.
the sun shines. I just okay.
Okay, next.
Ow.
Huh?
Ow.
All.
Hey, he's eating sushi.
Can next?
One.
One. You know how to read na, huh? Very good. Okay, next, Xander. How can you read that one? From. Very good. Next. How can you read that one? Up. You know what up means?
You're going up with your balloon.
You're going up with your balloon. Okay, next. Or. Very good. That one. How can you read that one?
There.
There. Very good. Okay, that one.
What's that?
Read it. This.
This.
Yeah, this. This is
My family.
my family. Okay, next word.
Some.
Some. Very good. How can you use it in a sentence? Some of you are going to work.
Also Dad. It's eating grass.
How about that one? Her. I'm gonna use that in a sentence. Her bag is so beautiful.
No, that's her igloo.